Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new tutorial series on React.js, and in this video we are going to set up our first React.js project into our local system, and I will be using Windows machine for this tutorials. But if you have a Mac, you can also follow along with this tutorial series because the commands and the other stuff will remain same for both the machines. So this is the tool which we are going to use for the React.js project setup. It's called Vite. This is the official website of Vite, vite.dev, and it's a very nice looking website. And guys, before this Vite came into the picture, React developer used to use a tools called Create React app. But for Vite, you can see here there are different versions. Version 5 is the latest as of 2025 November. You can go ahead with some previous version also if you want to explore more. Let's just click on get started so that it will lead you to the latest documentations. And these are the different libraries framework for which Vite can be used to set up the initial project. If you click on React, it will open a online IDE which you can explore if you want. But for this tutorial series, we are not going to utilize the IDE or the online IDE. Rather, we are going to set up everything into our local system. For that, we can just scroll down and copy this command npm create Vite @latest. So it will set up a React project using Vite into our machine. And I'll just paste it here and hit enter. And it will take some time. Again, hit enter and give your project a beautiful name. And select React from the framework list. So Vite can be used for various other frameworks like Angular, Solid, Vanilla.js and all. We are going to select React, and if you want to use TypeScript, you can use it, but for this tutorials we will select JavaScript. And there is one more option called React Router 7. So if we choose this option, it will set up a React router along with the uh, project. But for this tutorial series, we are going with JavaScript, and the router setup we will do later on. And we are all set. We just have to run these three commands. First one is to cd to the app. Then let me open VS Code, and here I'll select the terminal, new terminal, or we can use this short key as well to open the terminal. And let me just expand this thing and terminal. Now the second command npm install, which will install all the Node.js dependencies. Okay, all the packages has been installed and we have a new folder called node modules. Now npm start, hit enter. Oh, something wrong. Okay, if we see package.json, there is no command called npm start. Rather, we have to use npm run dev. And here we go. The app is running on port 5173. So now if I go ahead and open this URL to a browser, it should render my React app. So this is the first React app we have created, and in the next tutorial we will see the folder structure of this Vite app. We will see what these folder meant for. Till then, Take care, and I will see you in the next video.